Midco Sales has a new Dorsey flatbed trailer available at its dealership in Chandler, Arizona. This trailer measures 53 feet long and 102 inches wide. It has an aluminum deck with nailer boards, the suspension is an air ride system with a rear sliding axle. Polished aluminum wheels enhance the appearance of this trailer. A coil reinforcement package allows this flatbed to haul heavy steel coils. Sliding winch tracks and chain drops provide load securement options. And an aluminum toolbox is mounted on the driver's side. Visit midcosales.com for more information on this trailer or on any of the flatbed trailers in stock.